Here's the on-scene listing of upcoming events.
Register now and bike ride for Whatcom Hospice in the 2011 Chuckanut Century on September 18th. You'll be treated to Whatcom County's finest scenic roads with routes from 25 to over 100 miles long. The ride starts and finishes at Boundary Bay Brewery, and all proceeds benefit Whatcom Hospice. Learn about the local wildlife, history, and geology at the Summer Speaker Series at the Heather Meadows Visitor Center in Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest. On September 3rd, it's the Mountain Goats of Mount Baker, and on the 4th, the history of the Mount Baker Mining District. The free programs begin at 1 and a federal recreation pass is required. The annual Mount Baker Car and Motorcycle Show and Rod Run happens every Saturday before Labor Day in downtown Maple Falls to benefit the Mount Baker Lions Club. This show and shine will feature hot rods, trucks, lowriders, motorcycles, and more. There'll also be live music and food. Admission is free.
To have your event listed in On Scene, go to kvos.com.